Hello everyone, my name is Diana Leon and in this opportunity I want to show you some about tiny house as a lifestyle. Some background. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina caused serious damage on the coasts of the Gulf of Mississippi in the southeastern United States. As a contingency plan for those affected by the disaster, designer Mariani Cusato decided to build a provisional house of 28 square meters that, in principle, were intended to help those affected, but that over time began to be seen by many as a shrinking housing option, which resulted in the birth of the tiny house movement, an initiative that is going around the world with its premise of simplification of space and lifestyle. What is a tiny house? They're a very small house, but very functional, that seek to simplify the lifestyles, go against the social proposal of very luxurious and ostentatious house, and contribute to the care and improvement of the environment. Advantage: a quiet life, much less expense, the opportunity to value the little things, return functional space and have what is necessary, breaking the chain of the capitalism and unbridled consumption. Life becomes simpler but quieter. Disadvantage: this is difficult to adapt them for very large families. In our country, there are not many companies or people for the construction of the house, and the difficult to adapting to a new life from for the city. Tiny house movement. It is a social movement that promises to reduce housing space and optimize the way of living more simple and improving the environment. It is an alternative to reduce economic expense and to counteract the capitalism system of spend consumption. In my opinion, particularly, I would like to have a much more functional and simple lifestyle. I am a person who dreams differently from many people. I always try to find a way to save expense and live much quieter. But also, I would like it. It will be very difficult for my children, and I know that they will not agree with living in the city, so maybe it's a project for the future. But I think that even being in the city can simplify life and help to improve the environment. Thank you very much.